Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another interesting video, and today I am going to tell you about how to add app in Shortcut of iPhone. Like you are seeing on my iPhone, so without wasting the time, let's begin the video. First you have to go to Lock Screen, then tap and hold. Tap on Customize, then tap on Lock Screen. You can see minus option on Shortcut. Simply tap on this minus. Whatever shortcut is added before will be removed from here. Now, tap on plus icon and add Open App option. Now this pop-up appears to choose any app. For example, I want to choose Facebook app as shortcut, so I am selecting Facebook, and now you can see Facebook is added to shortcuts. How to open it? Simply as shortcut works, tap and hold, and the app, and it opens up, so by this way, you can easily add any app at Shortcut. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.